Hi, Tigers. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's letter and sound introduction. This is an exciting day because now we have been introduced to all 26 letters of the alphabet and the sounds they make. We're going to keep practicing them so we can use what we know in our reading and our writing. So let's get started with today's sound. Listen carefully to these sentences. Quentin quilts quickly. Did you hear a sound repeat at the beginning of each of those words? Quentin quilts quickly. How about in this sentence? Quiet queens quit quarreling. Can you repeat some of those words? Quiet queens quit quarreling. Those words all had the qu sound in it. When I make that qu sound, I'm actually saying two sounds. I'm hearing the k and the w sound. Qu. Try it. Qu. Qu. When I make the qu sound, I am saying the sound for the letter Q. Q says qu. But really, it takes two letters. In English, you are not going to see the letter Q without the letter U. These two letters are always going to go together. So when I hear qu, I know I'm going to see a Q and a U. So we might say Q says qu, or when you see this letter card, you can say QU says qu. Say it with me. QU says qu. Very good. Now we're going to learn how to write the letter Q. Okay, Tigers, just like always when we practice our handwriting, we need to get our supplies ready. We need a piece of paper, a crayon or pencil to write with, and if you have one, a bumpy board. Remember, our card says QU says qu. We've already learned how to write the letter U, so today I'm going to teach you how to write the letter Q. Q is another letter that is going to go below the line. So I'm going to draw a line to write this lowercase q. I'm going to start by making a curve, like the letter C, on top of the line. Then I'm going to come down and go below the line to close up my C. You might see several different ways to make the Q. Sometimes it's the circle and then the line down. Other times, you have the circle or the curve, the line down, and it has a little hook on its tail. Other people write it with the curve and the line down, and then a little line up. If you notice, all three of these Qs have the curve and the line down, and then is where it changes. There might be a hook or a little line up or just the plain line. Let's practice it 3 times. You get to choose how you want to end your Q. First, we're going to make the curve like a letter C. Then we're going to come down. Q says qu. See if you can write the letter Q 3 times. This letter and sound is a little bit tricky, so see if you can think about what words might have this in it.